Hi, my name is theme. And one way to do that is to buy a little organizer like this, and you could label each section and drop your stickers down in there. Another option that we have is a lot of stickers will come with holes already punched in them, and we could buy a small like little day planner or small little binder like that and put all of them in here and group them by theme. The other thing we could do is buy plastic envelopes like this, where you could group your stickers and your papers together by theme, making it much easier to find what you're looking for. And another option I really like is they make scrapbook binders where you can buy these larger plastic envelopes, and they come with, some pages are like this where it's all open, or they have different compartments for your different sized stickers, and you can group all of your stickers by theme and then keep them in the one binder.